Ever wondered how to make money with little effort? Picture this. Your wallet is bulging, your bank balance is booming, and all this without you breaking a sweat. Seems too good to be true? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to take you on a whirlwind tour of the top 10 ways to make money with minimal effort. No, this isn't a fairy tale, it's very much reality. Well, want to know more? Because today, we reveal the top 10 ways to fatten your wallet without breaking a sweat. First up, online surveys. Yes, you heard it right. Folks, in the digital age, your opinion is a gold mine. Companies crave it and they're willing to pay for it. Enter online surveys. They're a simple, low-effort way to make a quick buck. You answer a few questions, share your thoughts on a product or service, and voila, you get paid. But where do you find these surveys, you might wonder? Well, there are numerous legitimate survey sites out there, sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Survey Junkie. Just remember to do your homework to avoid scams. Now let's talk turkey. The million-dollar question, how much can you earn? Well, it's not a fortune, but it's something. Depending on the survey's length and complexity, you could earn anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey. So next time you're scrolling through social media, why not take a few surveys and earn some cash instead? Have a knack for words? Freelance writing could be your goldmine. Imagine transforming your thoughts into words and getting paid for it. That's the charm of freelance writing. Now let's unravel the mystery of getting started. First, identify your niche. It could be tech, lifestyle, finance, or even culinary arts. Next, hone your writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Consider taking a writing course or just write and write some more. Then create an impressive portfolio showcasing your work. Platforms like Medium or your own personal blog can serve as a starting point. Finally, it's time to hunt for gigs. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are treasure troves of potential clients. The potential income? It's as limitless as your ambition. Some writers earn a few bucks per article, while others rake in hundreds or even thousands. It all depends on your skills, experience, and the value you bring to the table. Unleash your inner Shakespeare and get paid for it. If you're good at something, why not teach it? Online tutoring is the answer. You see, the world is a vast classroom, and with the power of the internet, you can share your expertise from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant are just a few places where you can connect with eager learners across the globe. Subjects in demand? Well, if you can think it, you can teach it. From mathematics to music, coding to cooking, there's a student out there waiting to learn from you. And let's not forget languages. If you're bilingual, you're already in high demand. Now let's talk earnings. Depending on your area of expertise and the platform you choose, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 an hour. That's a pretty penny for sharing what you already know. So why wait? Turn your knowledge into cash, one lesson at a time. Fancy yourself a treasure hunter? Then reselling thrift store finds might just be your thing. You might be surprised at the gems you can unearth in the most unassuming thrift stores. From vintage clothing to rare books, vinyl records to antique furniture, there's a world of potential profit just waiting to be discovered. It's all about knowing what to look for and having an eye for value. A dusty, worn-out jacket could be a high-end designer piece worth hundreds. An old board game might be a collector's item that's in demand. Your job is to spot these hidden treasures, buy them for a song, and then sell them online for a profit. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Depop have made it easier than ever to reach potential buyers, so next time you're passing a thrift store, why not pop in and see what you can find? Who knew one man's trash could indeed be your treasure? Got a spare room collecting dust? It's time to turn it into a money-making machine. You know, it's funny how we often overlook the potential of our own living space. Your spare room could be a goldmine just waiting to be discovered. You could list it on platforms like Airbnb, which is quite popular among travelers looking for a home-away-from-home experience. It's not just about the extra income, which, by the way, could be substantial depending on your location and the amenities you offer. It's also about the vibrant social interaction. You get to meet interesting people from all walks of life, sharing stories and experiences that enrich your own life. The process is simple. You upload photos of your room, describe its features, set a price, and voila, you're in business. Remember to be a gracious host. After all, happy guests leave positive reviews, and positive reviews bring in more guests. Make your home work for you and meet some interesting people along the way. Snap, upload, and earn. Welcome to the world of stock photography. This is a realm where your creative eye can translate into cold, hard cash. But how does it work? Well, it's as simple as it sounds. You snap high-quality photos, upload them to stock photo websites, and then sit back as the royalties roll in every time someone purchases your image. You might be asking, how do I get started? It's easier than you think. Invest in a good camera, hone your craft, and choose your subjects wisely. The more universal the appeal, the more potential for earnings. Speaking of earnings, the sky's the limit. While it might start off as a trickle with consistent uploads and growing popularity, it can turn into a river of revenue, so why not use your love for capturing moments to capture some income too? Turn your passion for photography into a steady income stream. Ever thought of playing the bank? With peer-to-peer lending you can. Imagine yourself sitting behind a grand desk, shuffling through stacks of money. But instead of a bank vault, you're leveraging the digital world. Peer-to-peer, or P2P lending, is a method where individuals lend money to other individuals or small businesses via online platforms. It's kind of like playing matchmaker, but for money. Now, before you start dreaming of swimming in a pool of gold coins, let's talk about the risks. As with any investment, there's the possibility of borrowers defaulting on their loans. So, it's important to diversify your investments and not put all your eggs in one borrower's basket. But let's not let the risks overshadow the rewards. P2P lending can offer returns significantly higher than traditional savings accounts or even some investment funds. And the beauty of it, you're supporting small businesses and individuals while your money multiplies. Put your money to work and earn interest just like a bank. Become a part of the bigger picture with market research. It's a fascinating world where your insights and perspectives can shape the future of products and services. These companies are hungry for consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. So, how can you dive into this? Well, it's essential to start by finding legitimate opportunities. There are plenty of market research firms out there, but not all are created equal. Look for companies with a solid reputation and positive reviews. Sites like Respondent, User Interviews, and Vindale Research are good starting points. Once you've found a suitable platform, it's as simple as signing up, filling out some demographic information, and waiting for suitable studies to come your way. The pay for these can vary significantly, often depending on the length and complexity of the study, but it's not uncommon to earn between $25 to $200 per project. Your opinion matters, and it can make you money too. Spend money to make money? With cashback apps, it's possible. Now, how does this sorcery work, you might ask? Well, it's quite simple. These apps partner with retailers and offer you a percentage of your purchase back as cash or points. It's like getting paid for shopping. The more you shop, the more you earn. Now, onto the best apps to use. There are numerous options out there, but some of the most popular ones include Rakuten, Swagbucks, and Ibotta. Each app has its own unique features and benefits, so it's worth exploring a few to find the one that suits your shopping habits the best. As for potential earnings, it largely depends on your spending habits. However, with consistent use, cashback apps can provide a nice little boost to your bank account. So next time you're shopping, remember, you're not just spending money, you're also making it. Turn your everyday purchases into a source of income. There you have it, 10 ways to make money with little effort. From the power of surveys to the world of freelance writing, online tutoring, and reselling thrift store finds. Renting out your spare room, selling stock photography, peer-to-peer lending, market research participation, and cashback apps. Each method offers a unique opportunity to pad your wallet with minimal effort. So why not give them a shot? Remember, every little bit adds up, so start today and watch your bank account grow.